What's up, Guru Gang? Welcome to the Inner Sanctum. I'm Yoda Guru. Come on in, sit, stay, relax, put your feet up, grab a couple snacks, have yourself a hot or cold beverage. Your choice, your prerogative. My sanctum is your sanctum, and enjoy my reaction to episode number 7 of the HBO Max series, DC's Doom Patrol. And this episode is titled Bird Patrol. And coming off from the ending from last episode, it seems that Laura DeMille has possibly getting her memory back while Rita has gone to the past and encountered Laura DeMille the past, and also encountered the members of the Dada Sisterhood of the Dada and one of them, they're not really all sisters. They're basically a number of women and 2 guys. So either way, their group is called the Sisterhood of the Dada. So remains to be seen what's in store when it comes to the Sisterhood of the Dada, and what entails for the other Doom Patrol members as well when it comes to Jane and the Underground, Cliff with his addiction to gambling online and gaming and whatnot, the spending spree, Vic wanting to be fully human instead of being just cyborg, and Larry, where he just basically split for real this time with his family, his son Paul. So hashing out his both of them hashing out their issues, but then Larry just full on walking away from his son. So let's not waste any time and get into the reaction parts. Before we do, if you enjoyed any of my content, whether it be from my Inner Sanctum channel or YG Anime channel for all things anime, link is right up there. Check that out. Help support that channel as you're supporting this channel, the Inner Sanctum channel, and which I greatly appreciate. Tip that to you. And like I said, if you enjoyed either content for your channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell in order to be notified of any future videos being posted on either channel. And when it comes to the full-length reaction of this episode, it's going to be posted on my Patreon. Stick up on your end, and that link along with my social media links posted underneath this video in the description section. And with that said, let's get into episode number 7 of season 3. Almost at the end, and then going to the new season 4. And what I found out is it's going to be the final season. It may not be the final season of season 4, but here's hoping. But in any case, the title of this episode is Bird Patrol. All right, here we go. It's like a giant bird cage being built. Oh, by the Sisterhood of Dada. 2 members, at least. So that dude controls the wind. What's that? Tonight. Okay. Ooh. Oh! Okay. Larry spit out a larva. Okay. And he passed out. Yeah, Vic at the clinic.
Little Victor Stone. The last time I saw you, you were about this tall. Yeah, you probably don't remember me.
That was a lifetime ago.
Yeah. I worked with your mom at Star for years. She was an incredible woman. What can I do for you, Vic?
I heard about synthetic skin, and I wondered if that might be an option for me.
That's definitely not what I expected you to say.
Hmm.
May I?
Of course.
I have to admit, I was surprised when Silas chose the cyber tech for you instead of coming to me. You were just such a happy kid. My God, Silas really is a magician, isn't he? To safely introduce a synth skin epidermis, your cyber tech would have to be completely removed.
Okay.
Your artificial organs and structural prosthetics would have to stay, but anything that requires more energy than you get from a burrito, gotta go.
What's his choice? Become full human or keep cybernetics?
How soon could you?
Oh, just made the
Good
choice.
news there. Your
He wants the
biotech
skin.
interfaces are almost entirely nanotechnological, so this could be an overnight procedure. But this isn't a decision you should take lightly. Have you talked with your father about this?
My
Just-
mom would want this for me.
He's talked with his mom, so
It's the only thing I care about.
making the decision on his
That's
own
fair.
with his mom's help.
My fucking records? Which ones?
I sold them as a lot, so all of them?
What
Oh.
the fuck is wrong with you?
You don't understand.
Addiction,
There's a gift
gambling,
for just 50,000
gaming,
acorns, and I was almost
Cornish.
there, but I lost it all on a double
Addiction.
nut jump against Mr. Fox, even though Ginger told me.
There's something weird going on with you.
No, there isn't. Something weird going on with you.
After you get my fucking records back, you're gonna...
Uh-oh.
I took a
Heimlich maneuver.
in 87.
Heimlich.
I'm the instructor to pass, but I remember the basics.
Ooh.
What the fuck?
Magic trick going on? Holy crap.
Ooh, you got the prize.
It's those data freaks.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
Holy shit on a shingle. There is something weird going on.
Of course there's something going on. Are coming for us. We must rally to defend the castle. Cliff, seal the doors, the windows.
Batten
and
down the hatches.
Why are you even still here? We had a deal. We did your little spy mission. Now why don't you get the fuck out and take your dumb quirks and your fucking stupid magic tricks with you?
I assure you that this is everyone's problem.
When something wants to get us, it usually finds a way to get us. No use trying to stop it. Now you get your laptop. We're getting my records back, you fuck.
Share workout tapes, on the other hand.
You sold my share workout tapes?
Let me explain.
Oh, was that Flip?
What? No. Wait, no, I'm still not flat. Shit.
Dad,
Hey, here I am. Surprise extended grandpa visit. Woohoo!
hey, did you get help with your...
Oh, the perky? Yeah, it's all taken care of. Got some pills, and let me tell you, those babies work like gangbusters. Steady as a rock.
Good.
I've been eyeing the bureau
1949,
since my
alright.
cousin Paige
Time
came on
jump
here. He's,
of the Euro.
he's a meta too. I figured I'd wait for the war to be good and over.
Oh, the war is never over. So, tell me, who are you?
I'm Wally Sage, ma'am. I just told you.
What are you?
What am I? Well, I guess probably.
That was Rita.
I don't know what you call it.
Oh. Meta Power is pulling drawings coming to life.
Can you apply this ability to, say, artillery?
Oh,
Sure.
giving him a weapon.
I came in to see about the marketing position.
Well, you will be very useful.
A weapon.
Weapon.
Stamped approved.
Laura, he was just a boy. Wars don't fight themselves.
Is that all you have to say? You used to look out for kids like him.
Well, it's not the same carefree world it was then.
Our
is it?
mentality's changed. This was what Niles was talking about in the letter.
We'd all love to see you.
We all?
Yes. Holly, Malcolm, everyone.
Laura's been
He used to say
breaking
that it was
away,
calling.
slowly but surely.
Higher calling that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recall you landing here with...
I swear, if the Bureau could, they'd make us forget that we all had lives before.
Yes, well, don't worry. I'll never forget.
Laura feels threatened of Rita taking over the group, being the leader in a sense.
Let me guess. She said no. Are you surprised?
I'm a little worried about her, if I'm being honest.
She's been sour for 15 years.
It's her job. That's
Things changed in 15 years.
So,
Yeah, if she still has one.
once upon a time, maybe it's our turn to save hers.
Okay. Dancing in the middle of the hallway. Okay, get back to work. Oh, well. Uh-oh. Sees that. No, well, the bureau's...
Larry, well, it is 11 o'clock in the morning and you are loafing about on the floor.
He passed out.
You're about to be confronted by an inconceivably dangerous threat.
Oh.
And I need all the help I can get.
Fine.
What on earth is that?
It's just, well, it started as a tumor, but...
That came out of you?
Okay, watering it.
Yes, it's definitely alive.
Have you recently been exposed to any abnormal atmospheres?
My entire life is an abnormal atmosphere. You mean the afterlife? The negative nebula? I went to Costco for the first time a few weeks ago. Was that it?
No.
What should I do?
Really, only one reasonable response.
What?
Give it a name?
Burn it.
Okay, burn it.
Right, and meet me in the great room when you've dealt with it. Jesus Christ, you burn it.
Oh.
What's wrong, Kay?
Why is Kay's crying?
Stroller Bill says you've been crying all day.
Someone stole my bike.
Ooh.
It was right outside my door when I went to bed, and when I woke up,
Who took the bite?
it was gone.
Was it the therapist?
Did you ask?
They stole it!
Ooh.
Stop treating me like I'm a stupid baby!
Okay.
Well, we'll just go up top and get you a new bike. And this time we'll actually pay for it.
No!
Ooh.
I don't want to go up! I never want to go up again!
I don't know if it's your ice cold touch or the hum of your nutrient tank, but he is never as relaxed as when he's with you.
That's my Grandpa Powers at work. You know what? You guys deserve a real break. Why don't I watch Rory so you can go out?
Uh-oh. His shakes are back.
Thanks, but we're good. Yeah, we'll just walk down to Scooter Dog's, grab an ice cream bar. We'll be gone in 20 minutes. 30 tops.
You won't regret this.
Just in
Uh-oh.
case, for emergency.
Don't give him give him a credit card.
Cool.
It'll feed his addiction. That's a bad idea. Come on, some kind of noise machine? Announcement? Oh. He's having second thoughts?
Damn it.
Yep, he is.
Hey,
Leaving
all right,
food
man?
for it. Food and
Just
water.
get you out of here
Or
without giving you a
liquid.
fighting chance. I went back and made you I don't know what space parasites eat, but what the hell is wrong with me?
Well, having second thoughts again.
It's supposed to get pretty chilly.
Putting a scarf on it.
Look, there's nothing to be afraid of. I don't think.
Oh.
You're better off without me.
Hmm.
Trust me on that.
Oh no, the fog.
I can't be
It has returned. Oh, there's Ronnie. On the run. Oh, communication device.
Miss me? How the hell did you find me?
The supercomputer in my head helped a little.
Yep.
You were right.
About what?
About me. Look, everything's always been so laid out for me. How can I help people when there's this barrier between us? And they can't even relate to me as a human being.
You're rambling, Vic.
I think I might have it taken out. My
He's
tech.
made the decision.
What happened to wanting to be a hero?
But my tech doesn't make me a hero.
But at the end of the day, we want the same thing. Change. Now I'm blasting through the back door, demanding it, while you're walking in through the lobby with a big dumb smile on your face.
I didn't ask for this, Ronnie.
None of us asked for what we got.
Cyborg isn't me.
So what do you want? Change? Or do you want happiness?
Look, you taught me to trust myself, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Thought you'd be happy for me.
Do what you gotta do. Maybe
She's
I'll
gonna do
figure
what
out
she's gotta do. They're both making statements in a way.
All good. Grandpa's not thinking about anything at all.
Oh, yes he is.
Not about Ginger. Not about chipmunks.
Oh.
The OG fuck can't handle. Ow! Fuck! Didn't think
Oh,
that through.
buddy.
caught that.
At least you didn't burn the house down.
See that? We're building trust.
Yeah. I'm gonna put Rory down for a nap.
Hey, did you hear about this weird fog thing rolling in? Is that something we should be concerned about?
Big Papa Cliff will keep his family safe.
Unless he's busy with his spending addiction or gambling addiction.
Just got here.
Who took the fucking bike, Doc?
Whoever took it, I hope they threw it in the well.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
They will have done us all a favor. In case you haven't noticed, Kay is staying put. You've opened this can of worms by allowing her to go up in the first place.
She was fine.
She was lucky.
Protect the girl. If we can't even do that, then maybe.
Who's protecting us, Jane?
Okay. What is going on? There's a power struggle going on. It's everybody against Jane.
Annihilation is hot on my trail, but God forbid, and I'm a good person. That is why.
Whoa. It's like a loop. Oh, she's stuck in a loop. Sister of the Dada is responsible. Hey, where'd the bag go? Oh, there's the bag. Okay.
You know, if we had any sense, we would be out celebrating. I heard we set a new recruitment record this week.
I set a recruitment record, 12th week in a row.
Numbers were the only thing that mattered. You'd be running this joint by now.
Pace yourself, Willie.
You don't think you have what it takes to be a leader in this organization, do you?
I have been a loyal and industrious part of the Bureau for 35 years. And
What about your little pals? Every time the reclassification window comes around, you decide to keep them hidden in the basement, in the midst of a meta-human arms race. And it seems to me that you are more worried about protecting your friends than you are about protecting what is actually at risk. The moral core of our great nation. Those freaks are merely...
This is where she's going to prove herself in order to appease the Bureau. She's going to betray the sister of the Dada. Oh. The thing that was created, in a sense, by her, she's going to destroy.
Malcolm and I have been working on something at home. We're not sure where we're going with it.
Oh, I see.
Oh, the mask.
His face.
Yeah, it is Malcolm.
Because you're in love. Plastic.
Tundra.
Gullible pickling carousel.
They become one of those couples.
We're the Sisterhood of Dada. To make the world a better place.
Uh-oh. Become cynical.
Depression, Holocaust. Just 5 years ago,
That carefree attitude turned cynicism over the years.
and my own people have been subjected to horrors. We stood by and watched the Bureau lurch from oddities to normalcy, guided by the very same ideologies we claim to oppose. Kept our heads down.
They're part of the problem, in his view.
A paycheck?
Eternal flagellation
Uh-oh,
would certainly
here we
be
go.
a big middle finger to the Bureau, wouldn't it?
But what about Laura? She'll never go along with it.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's not good. Got her shoes.
So, I found out what happened to your bike. Turns out somebody just wanted to borrow it, and they lost it. It was all a big mistake. Nothing to be upset about.
Oh, that look.
Both know that's bullshit!
Woo-hoo. She has an attitude.
You should have seen me, Ginger. Big Papa Cliff.
Oh, that's not good. I knew it was going to happen. Stole his daughter's credit card.
Maybe just a little. Ow! Hey!
Nick, oh my God, are you okay?
Oh,
What the fuck?
they're all together.
Where the fuck are we?
Can't let any more in. Let the fog in.
Hey, what's up with the foghorn?
How did you get inside?
The front door?
Did you seal it?
What? Why?
Why?
Ah, well.
Laura, you're gay.
Finally doing the eternal flagellation.
Is that part of the eternal flagellation? A dance? Okay. Her memories are returning.
I'll never forget.
Don't apologize, Dad.
Okay.
This is really dumb, but we actually look pretty cool.
Oh! A weapon. Yep, she betrayed them.
Put them on their knees.
Ooh.
What the?
Not well done, DeMille. I've been looking forward to this for years. Finally promoted out of the mailroom. You should be proud.
Go to hell. We will never fight for you.
The stamp seals their fate.
Weapon.
Again, this is what Niles was talking about in his letter.
Weapon.
Wait a fucking minute. Is this about you?
Weapon.
Is this like a flashback?
Mm-hmm.
How could you do this to us? We were a family. Country needs you. So.
Oh, it's the dude. It was as stamp approved by as a weapon. And there's Malcolm. Oh, the canary died. Now he took his heart as a remembrance of the man she loved. Ooh, she wants revenge. She remembers. Hey! Rita, she's back.
Rita?
She's ready.
What the fuck? What's going on now?
I think we're about to find out.
Okay. What is hatching? The hell is that?
What the hell is that?
You remember Malcolm?
Oh, that's Malcolm. Oh no.
You killed him. Now you must set him free. I didn't kill anyone. Everything I did, I had a damn good reason to. No, I am not evil! It's true, Laura. You did this. And we suffered for 70 years. Are wrong. The whole world was crumbling around us. We are offering you a chance to atone. Take it! I atoned that day by making useful agents of you.
Malcolm! Bendy, wait! It has to be Nora!
Oh no. Ooh. Ooh. Eternal flagellation is loose. She did it out of grief. Rita did. Huh.
I don't get it.
Ooh, the reckoning.
That sounds bad. Is it bad?
Only if you are.
It's for the best.
Oh no.
The dancing wasn't the thing?
It's all turning to shit. Ooh.
I'm still high as
What is going on? Flying faces. That's not good. Alright, episode number 7 of HBO Max series Doom Patrol, and this episode titled Bird Patrol. And ultimately we got the reason, the why Niles called her in his letter concerning Laura DeMille, as to why he called her not to be trusted, or wrote that she shouldn't be trusted, and she's despicable. And we know why. She betrayed the Sisterhood of the Dada in order, and it was a gradual over the years that Laura was approving metahumans to become weapons instead of not a weapon, and she was trying to prove herself to the Bureau, and it got to things changed over the years, and the Sister Dada's open-mindedness and carefree attitude turned into gradual cynicism because of the societal changes and the gradual shift from the Bureau of Oddities to the Bureau of Normalcy. You could tell over the years from that that there was a gradual shift of attitude, not only from not attitude per se, but the leadership in a sense from Laura being the so-called leader of the group to Rita gradually taking over and being the a sense of leadership type qualities in which she and Rita and Malcolm became like a team of sorts and rallying around for trying to make things better. And I think Laura saw that as a threat to her position. And I think that affected her to the point that she wanted to prove herself to the Bureau of Normalcy, and that affected her to the point where that's where the betrayal came in point. She betrayed her family in order to become part of the thing that she tried to avoid, having the metahumans, her family, the Dada, not be a part of being weapons. And then it got to that point where Rita returned with the Dada to Back to the Future, and confronted Rita because she was responsible for taking the life of the man she loved, and then she was able to take that heart-shaped symbolism that representing Malcolm's heart, and got her revenge by with the eternal flagellation, that egg that was hatching into a face that in turn was Malcolm, and now eternal flagellation is a reckoning all over, and thus causing the team to disappear. Where they went, I don't know, because I'm looking forward to reacting to episode 8 and finding out what unfolds there. So yeah, I enjoyed this episode. It was like intriguing to say the least. So share your thoughts on this episode. What did you think of it? Because I'm looking forward to episode 8. I don't know what you are, but for those of you who have seen it. In the case, when it comes to full-length reaction of this episode, it'll be posted on my Patreon. That link, all my social media links posted underneath this video in the description section. And like I said earlier, if you enjoyed any of my content, whether it be my Inner Sanctum channel or YG Anime channel for all things anime, link right up there. Check that out, help support that channel, which I greatly appreciate. Tip my hat to you. And like I said, if you enjoyed either content for your channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell in order to be notified of any future videos being posted on your channel. And with that said, tip my hat to you. May the 4th be with you. Until next time for episode 8 of HBO Max series DC's Super Patrol. Alright? Later.